Hello everybody, Gold Coin Digger here again. We were just getting out, gonna do some curbside detecting. First time of the season, first time we got the detector out there, and the control box fell off. It's broken. We're gonna have to figure out a way to get this thing fixed so we can get back out there. Let's take a look and see what we got. Here we got our AT Gold. Control box fell right off. Look online, it seems to be a pretty typical problem. Not much holding these things on. Plastic breaks off right by the screws. So we're going to put a message out on Facebook. Let's see what everybody else seems to be doing to get this fixed so we can get back out. We'll get right back to you with a quick and easy solution to get back out there. Well, we picked up some brackets for plumbing, 3/4 inch. We're gonna see if we can put them right on here. Take out the screws for the speaker, put them right on here, get her mounted back on there. Let's see what we can do. We got the brackets on, as you can see. Still a little bit loose. We don't want that loose, we want it as tight as possible. So we're gonna find a little piece of rubber or something to go underneath this. We tighten her up, it'll be nice and strong. Let's see what we can find. Well, what we found is it's quite loose right here. Once we put it on here, the bracket's just a little bit too big. So what we're going to do is put two together, put them inside here, just like that. They fit nice and snug. And we're going to put them on here. It's going to tighten it up real nice. Well, there you have it. It's a lot snugger. We're going to drill 2 holes right there. Put some pop rivets in so it don't move at all. Go. Well, here you can see, pretty much back up and running again. Got it all put together. You can see we got our plumbing brackets on here, bolted on nicely, a couple rivets, and then we topped it off with some goop. Put some glue in here on both sides, just to stop a little bit of wiggle, a little bit of movement, to prevent it from breaking in the future. Well, there you have it. Time to get back outside and enjoy the nice weather. See what we can find out there. Stay tuned for our next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next adventure.